take your hands in the game. Until and unless you don't take your hands in. Guys, welcome to the new series of the Social Aryan. So in this series, I'm going to answer all your questions related to my niche like digital marketing, social media marketing, make money online, Facebook ads, YouTube marketing, video marketing and lots of other stuff. So if you have any kind of queries, just comment down below on this in this YouTube video. So from where I got questions mostly, I have also my own Quora space where I answer at least 20 to 25 people on the daily basis. And I got approximately 50 questions on the daily basis from lots of people. And if you want to join my own Quora space, then link is available in the description box. You can join from there. So in this video, basically I took all the questions from my Quora space because right now I'm not getting that much amount of questions on the YouTube, and most of the questions are related to my previous videos which comes under the tech category, unboxing, reviews. So I will answer all those questions on the comment section because that's not my niche right now. Right now I'm focusing on the digital marketing niche, Instagram marketing, video marketing and lots of other stuff. So in this video I'm going to answer at least 8 to 10 answers from the Quora platform that I took from my audience who are asking me on the daily basis. So if you have any kind of queries, just comment down below under this video and I will definitely going to answer you in the next Ask Social Aryan episode. And one more thing I want to tell you, while commenting, you just need to use hashtag Ask Social Aryan so that it's easy for me to identify the questions from your side. One question I have just answered in the poll, that do you want this Ask Social Aryan series twice a week or once a week? Just let me know so that I will clarify it and I will upload according to that. So without wasting a single second, this video might be busy right now. It's more than 2 minutes. I'm speaking without any questions because I have to introduce everything about it. So let's get started. So the first question which I got is, what is the easiest method to earn money online in 2020? So I think this is the biggest myth. This is not the question. This is the myth that people are surrounded with them. They are thinking that making money online is the easiest way to make money and to earn money. It's never been like that. If it's easy to make money online, then everybody can make money online. It's never been like that. You need to work hard. Yeah, there are simple ways to make money online, but there is not the easiest way. You can't become rich by just working for 1 year and 2 years. You need to give your at least 5 years to this industry like every other industry, like becoming an engineer, doctor, dentist, whatever field. In this field, at least you need to give your ass off 5 years. That's why. There is not an easiest way, but I can tell you some of the simple ways like starting YouTube channel, starting Instagram page, starting Facebook page, building your personal brand, or if you have little bit of money, you can invest on starting drop shipping, learn how drop shipping works. I'm also working on that. Start handling other people's social media handles, ask them, start for free. These are simple ways to start your own making money online journey. You can start with blogging also. I'm not a blogger. I don't have a single piece of idea how blogs work and all those things because I'm a video creator. I love creating videos, podcasts, all those stuff. Yeah, you can also start your own podcast show also. There are lots of simple ways, but you need to figure out what you are good at. So just try lots of things, figure out what you are good at and do it for as your. So yeah, this is the best answer I can give to this question. Second question is asked by the Vishwas Chandran. What is the basic idea of starting YouTube marketing? The basic idea of starting YouTube marketing is if you are figure out what is your niche, what you are good at. You might be good at cooking, fitness, tech, digital marketing or whatever concept, business, entrepreneurship. Just choose that one thing and just keep uploading your videos on the daily basis. And yesterday I uploaded one video on the YouTube growth hack. You can check out that video. Link is available in the iCard and description box. So the best piece of idea and the basic starting of the YouTube marketing is be consistent, no matter what. Most of the people think that when we get views, then we upload more videos. But you need to do the reverse thing of this. You need to keep uploading videos, and one day your viewers, your subscribers, your audience will definitely going to recognize you and find you, and they will definitely going to watch you on the regular basis. So at the starting point of time, just be patient with your work, keep putting content, be consistent, choose a proper time and upload it on the daily basis. That's the best idea and the basic idea of starting YouTube channel. Question is really amazing that I got. Which digital marketing course is best after 10th class 10? So if you directly want to do digital marketing course, you can go with the 500-600 rupees course that people are selling in the market, so that you will get a proper idea how this works. And if your 500-600 rupees may be wasted, then it's not a big thing. But if you don't have a little bit of money to invest on any course, then just start learning from the YouTube for free. Today, whatever the knowledge I have on the podcasting, YouTube, social media marketing, all those stuff, I never buy a single course. I yet not purchased any course in my life. I learned everything for free from the YouTube. Just YouTube is the second largest and the biggest search engine. Just search your queries and you will definitely going to get the answer of all your queries. Let's say if you want to learn Instagram marketing, just search what is Instagram marketing, how it's work. That's it. You will definitely going to get answer of your questions. So this is how it will work. If you are just graduated from if you are just past 10th class and thinking to start the digital marketing journey, then start learning for free, apply new things. If you are going with the Instagram marketing, start applying the hashtag strategy, start applying how Instagram works, how Instagram algorithm works, how you can produce content on that, how reels work, what are the need of Instagram users. So this is how you can learn digital marketing after 10th class for free. And if you have money, you can invest on course of the 500-600 rupees that lots of people are selling, or you can purchase from the Udemy also. There are lots of digital marketing courses available there. So yeah, next question is very interesting. Which one will make more money, Instagram, YouTube or a blog? So let me tell you one and the simple clear thing. These three platforms will help you to make money as much as possible. It totally depends on you what you are good at. If you are good at writing, you can go with blogs. If you are good at video creating, like facing camera, if you don't fear facing camera and all those stuff, you can go with YouTube. And if you are good at graphic designing, if you are good at writing also, if you are good at video creating also, if you are good at graphic designing also, creating post and content also, then you can go with Instagram, because Instagram provides every facility you want. Instagram also gives you the facility to upload videos on the daily basis, to upload text content, to upload video content, and lots of every type of content is available there on the Instagram. So you can go with that also. So it's totally depend on you what you are good at. If you are good at speaking, just speaking, you can start your own podcasting journey. I uploaded the whole series on how to start your podcast from the scratch to make money in this video. So this is how you can go with it. So the next question is also very interesting. That's why I love Quora platform, because here people ask lots of interesting questions, man. Which digital marketing concept require practical learning? I think every digital marketing concept require practical learning, because digital marketing is all about practicality. This is the game of skill set. Here if you have a degree or if you have a certificate, nobody give a fuck about all your certificates. Everybody wants the skill that you have to develop, and you can't become expert in digital marketing. You need to choose one thing in the digital marketing and become expert in that. Let's say you are good at Facebook ads, you might be good at affiliate marketing, you might be good at Instagram marketing, video marketing, search engine optimization, and there are different types of influencer marketing, different types of concepts and the types of digital marketing. You need to choose one and start learning from free. YouTube, Google, you can learn everything for free at the basic level. And if you want to expand a lot, then after maybe 1 year, 1.5 years, you can go with the courses, paid courses. But at the starting point of time, you need to figure out, do you really like digital marketing? And if you just directly going to purchase the 35,000 rupees course, then it's never ever gonna help you. So this is the main reason. You need, every concept of digital marketing requires practical learning. Digital marketing is not just रट्टेबाजी वाला काम नहीं है भाई, ये कि बस बुक ले ली, रट लिया, एग्जाम दे के आगे हो गया. It's not like that. You need to take your hands in the game. Until unless you don't take your hands in the game and experiment new things on the daily basis in digital marketing, you're never ever gonna grow in this field. So just experimenting, choose one thing, become good in that, and just keep learning, experimenting new things on the daily basis. That's it. So this is also the question related to the previous question. What should I do? I am 18-year-old. I completed my 12th in 2019 and I am a digital marketeer, but I have no experience. How you are a digital marketeer without experience? You are right now learning, I think. I do not understand what I do. How can I earn using digital marketing knowledge? So I think this boy is really very confused because he just passed 12th class, completed his 12th class and having no experience. So I think you should start your own personal branding journey. Let me tell you why. First of all, figure out what you are good at. You might be good at digital marketing, you might be good at Instagram marketing, you might be good at SEO. So first of all, you need to figure out that thing and learn and apply all those things. Let's say you are good at SEO, just go and complete the full playlist of any YouTuber who is uploading the SEO concepts, how to start your own SEO journey and all those stuffs. So just learn, apply it and share your knowledge on the Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, or you can choose any platform. You can start podcast also on this topic. So this is how you can grow with it. So at the starting point of time, you need to figure out the one thing, the same answer which I gave to the 10th class boy, this is the same answer preferred to you. And about this Q&A session with the last question, where can I learn social media marketing strategies? So the best way to learn social media marketing strategies is watching your competitors, what strategies they are using. So let's say you are in the fitness niche and you are uploading content on the fitness category and you need a social media marketing strategies, then go and look into the profile, look into the content of your competitors, what kinds of hashtags they are using, what kinds of colors they are using, how they are editing their videos, how they are running campaigns, if you are getting chance to watch their advertisement and all those stuff. Go and spy on your competitors and try to collaborate with them, because now competition is there. If you want to grow, you need to be a collaborative mindset, not a competitive mindset. But you can spy on their social media accounts, what they are using, how they are engaging with their followers, how they are posting maybe once a week, twice a week, thrice a week or weekly basis, how they are posting on the regular basis. You need to see what they are doing. You need to just do a little bit of spying on their account. थोड़ी जासूसी करनी पड़ेगी आपको. Then you will get to know what strategies they are applying. Let's say you are in the fitness industry, just take the 10 influencers of your industry, top 10 influencers, and go and watch their content on a daily basis and just see what kind of strategies they are applying, and then figure out your own strategies. Because when you saw their strategies, you will get to know about what type of strategies I can use, and just experiment. Because if you don't apply your strategies, then how you can get to know that these strategies work and these strategies don't. So yeah, that's it for today. If you find the first show of Ask Social Aryan amazing and valuable, then don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Comment down below all your queries if you have, so that your comment will get a chance to be answered in the next video. And just let me know, should I upload twice a week of this show or once a week? So I hope you find this video valuable. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share to all your friends. Till then, bye bye. See you tomorrow with one more amazing and exciting video. Till then, bye bye.